of the preparations, and we have planned a mock trial on 18th at the night time only to review all the arrangements, whether it is CCTV, PA system, zonal segregation, movement, and continuously from the past 3-4 months, district administration along with police department and all the departments, PWD, electricity, everyone, including the managing committee, we have been working for this. And on 18th, we will have a full-fledged mock trial also. Shops already under Disaster Management Act, a layout has been made, and in consultation with all the departments, and that has, for first day as well as for the second day, that layout has already been finalized. And beyond that, we will not permit any of the shops, because it is the clear direction of the Home Department, as well as in various under disaster management also I have issued orders. So beyond the permissible area, we will not permit, considering to ensure that there is no interruption in the movement of the devotees.
जो शॉप्स घर में है या होटल्स में वो चला सकते हैं?
No, that is also not permitted, because if on the main stretch, when public is going and devotees are going, if they stop, then that can hamper the flow of the public. So it can eventually cause a problem. So at this time we don't want to take any risk.
How many shops are allowed?
That I have issued an order. That order has come in the news also. Specific numbers and layout is there. I can give a copy also separately.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
춥춥게 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 춥춥춥춥춥춥게 춥춥게 춥춥게 춥춥게
अरे आप लोग ऐसे छुप छुप के जो खा रहे हो?
बीवी तला हुआ खाने नहीं देती।
तो बीवी को बोलो पंचामृत के वुडन कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल से खाना पकाए। नेचुरल प्रोसेस से बने ये सब तेल सेहत के लिए पोषक ही है। कुछ भी खाओ लेकिन हेल्दी खाओ। हेल्दी यानी
पंचामृत।